Welcome to Mathematics with Suleiman. Today I'm going to do a paper for the grade 12s. It'll be paper 2, question 1 on statistics. And this is the paper from last year, May, June 2025. DBA, May, June 2025, paper 2, question 1. Question 1, an insurance broker signed contracts with 15 people. The monthly premium in rands payable on each contract is given below. So those values there are given: the 134, the 215, 325, 326, 362, 429, 515, 531, 598, 610, 624, 728, 923, 1034, and 1200. Those are the values given. 1.1, you must calculate the mean of the data. 1.2, write down the standard deviation of the data. 1.3, calculate how many monthly premiums are within one standard deviation of the mean. 1.4, the insurance company decided to increase the monthly premiums. Monthly premiums that were less than 500 Rand increased by 18%. Monthly premiums that were equal to or more than 500 Rand increased by 3%. After these increases were applied to the above data, the new mean monthly premium was 686 Rand and 44 cents. Calculate the value of K. Right, question 1.1, calculate the mean of the data. And of course, to find mean, you will remember, you have to add up all 15 values. That should give you 8,554. And then, of course, divide by 15, because there are 15 values. And that should give you the mean of 570,27. To find standard deviation, well, you can either use the longer grade 11 method, or you can use the calculator. If you're unsure how to use a calculator, you can go and have a look at one of my videos I've done. The title is DBE 2022 grade 12 paper 1. Let me repeat, the title of the video is DBE 2022 grade 12 paper 2 question 1, and that will show you how to use the calculator. But nevertheless, once you've done that, you should get a deviation of 291,03. Then, of course, now you must calculate how many monthly premiums are within one standard deviation of the mean. So here you need to use the formula. Look at 1.3 on your right hand side. Remember that formula for upper value and lower value, where you take the mean and you subtract the standard deviation to get the one value, and then you take the mean and you add the standard deviation to give you the other value. Then you will notice that if you go back to your 15 values, you will notice that exactly 10 of those values lies between those two values. Right, 1.4, which is slightly more challenging. So it's your level 3 example, for instance. The insurance company decided to increase the monthly premiums. The monthly premiums that were less than 500 Rand increased by 18%. Monthly premiums that were equal to or more than 500 increased by 3%. And after these increases were applied to the above data, the new mean monthly premiums was then 686 Rand and 44 cents. Calculate the value of K. So if you look at the solution, that 1791 will be when you total all the premiums which are under 500, and that will give you 1791, and therefore 18%, so it's 118 over 100, right? So that is to get the 18% plus, and then the monthly premiums that were equal to or more than 500. If you add up all those premiums, you should get 6763, and that of course is K plus 100 over 100%. And then all of that, of course, divide by 15 because there are 15 values. And that is an equal to 686 Rand 44 cents. It was given to you. Then, of course, the rest is just solve that equation. You can cross multiply, use the calculator, and you should get eventually that K is 21%. A bit of a tough one. You have to do some thinking. Thank you for watching this video in Mathematics with Suleiman. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, because remember, subscription is free, and with your subscription it will make it easier for me to produce more similar videos.